little peace after a hard day's work. Yeah! Yoo-hoo! Meteorite! We're gonna pick berries. Wanna come? Yoo-hoo! Meteorite! You guys go. I'm pretty busy right now. I love meteorites playing, but does it have to be so loud? Sometimes I'm in the mood for music, and sometimes I just want to hear the birds. But then sometimes...
Come here, Azrael! Stop running away! This potion will give you supernatural hearing. You'll hear the Smurfs throughout the forest, and then we'll know where their village is. At last! Now, just stand still. Gotcha! Don't be difficult. We're a team, remember? I help you, you help me. There's nothing to worry about. My potions work most of the time. See? That wasn't so bad. In 15 minutes, you'll hear everything in the forest. And those sneaky little Smurfs will be mine.
We need to warn everyone.
Hey! Shh. What's the big idea? What?
Shh. Huh? Shh. But sorry. Hey! Shh.
What's going on?
We have bad news, Willow. Gargamel has given Azrael supernatural hearing. In less than 15 minutes, he'll be able to hear and know where everyone is.
We must warn everyone. Storm, Meteorite, go to the Smurf village and alert them immediately.
We're on it. Shh. We're on it.
Yeah.
Stop drumming.
Lily said we got 15 minutes.
Yeah, but that was a few minutes ago.
Okay.
Come on.
Hello? Does this thing work? Yeah, okay, Smurfs. It's time for the monthly rehearsal of all village rules. Rule 1. No.
Everyone be quiet.
What? This is outrageous. How dare you?
Azrael can hear everything. If you talk, they'll find the village.
Sorry. Why didn't you say so?
For you. Who's smurfing a trumpet? Harmony!
Hey, Meteorite! You want to hear my latest solo?
No! Stop! You can't play right now. Maybe just a few notes, but not too loud. You want to jam?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, we got something here! Yahoo! I'm smurfing it big time!
I don't understand it. We've been waiting long enough. You should start hearing something. It's working? It's working! Yahoo! Ah, you messed up my hair, you stupid cat. Oh, I see. I'll talk softly. Do you hear the Smurfs? Wait! I think we've alerted everyone.
Wait, what's that? Meteorite.
Hello! Gotcha. In the bag, anyone care to join her?
Smurf for your life.
Wait, if Gargamel's here, we don't need to whisper anymore.
Oh, don't go Go for it! Me, I don't like running away. Oh, I love this! Did you hear that? Isn't this one cute?
Put baby down. Empty to their...
Very impressive. I love playing catch. I think that's all of them. Oh, I see you. Get them, Azrael! You're useless. What are we gonna do?
We have to rescue them before Gargamel brings them back to his hovel.
But Azrael will hear us coming.
Exactly. Did you see how he winced when Gargamel shouted? He can't stand loud noises. Come on, I have an idea.
Stop that, will you? Or I'll throw you all in the ravine.
Sorry.
That's better. It must be the two that got away. Get them! Hello.
Eat that,
Where are you? You useless cat! You let them escape again! You think you're so smart, huh? Well, I'll just take my magic potion so I can hear you.
I knew that's what he'd do.
It's working perfectly.
Ready?
Let's do it. I can hear you. Ouch! Please! Stop! This is unbearable! No! I can't stand it anymore! Please! Gotcha! I only pretended to use the potion! Oh, you're all alone now, and it's only a matter of time before I find you. Pull your head out of that hole, Azrael. I'm going home while you catch her.
Don't move. Now that you're listening, tell me, how would you like to get back at Gargamel for all of this pain? Then we're in business. Time to give Gargamel a taste of his own medicine. But before we go, you might need a pair of these.
Time for you Smurfs to take a dip in my cauldron. There you are. Did you catch her, you flea bag?
You'll never get away with this, Gargamel.
I think I already have. If you think that little drummer girl is going to save you.
Well, think again, Gargy. Why don't you try and catch me?
Come here, you little blue pest. Ah! Do you really think you're going to escape me? Stop running away. You fool! Now I'll have supernatural hearing. Get her. What? Mutiny? Was that...
Meteorite to the rescue!
Ouch! 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 Ouch!
Ready your trumpet, Harmony! It's time to party.
Oh, no, not the trumpet!
Come on, Smurfs! Give a big round of applause for Gargamel!
Silence is golden. No! No! Stop! Stop! Meteorite, what can we do to think?
Well, I kind of feel responsible for everything that happened. But I was thinking, Harmony and I were playing something pretty good earlier. Would you like to hear us play? 1, 2, 3, 4.